So I bought a Ninja Creami, and I thought it would be fun to take you on a journey with me as I try different flavors and recipes in search of the perfect ice creams. I really like almonds, but I've never had almond ice cream, so I thought this had a lot of potential. Some Google search results assured me I could make ice cream with just milk, sugar, and some kind of flavoring, so it seemed like a good idea to start off with something simple. I'll be honest, the texture sucks. It's too thin, and a lot of the water in the milk is frozen into ice crystals that are mixed throughout. The almond flavor is non-existent, and it just tastes like frozen milk. After 2 more days in the freezer, it is firm enough to scoop, but it's still not great. 4 out of 10, I think it needed more fat. This was my second attempt at making ice cream in the Ninja Creami, and the texture turned out just okay. The real surprise was 70 grams of maple syrup wasn't nearly enough. I couldn't taste maple at all. I think if you wanted to make maple ice cream, you would either have to make it way too sweet or buy maple flavoring or extracts. I did try the mix-in function with some maple cookies, and that turned out pretty good. I set up the camera, and I thought I hit record, but due to I'm an idiot, I guess, somehow the footage got lost. The texture is better than the almond, but it needed way more maple. 6 out of 10. Would use it to eat maple cookies again.
Oh, that's really good.
Biscoff cookie butter ice cream. If those 5 words didn't make you subscribe, you can just go now. I made the almond, maple, and this batch of ice cream in the same day because I wanted to see firsthand what sort of difference using maple syrup instead of sugar, or adding 125 grams of cookie butter would give me. There are about 42 grams of fat in this much Biscoff, and my previous theory was the almond ice cream's texture failed because it didn't have enough fat. I spun it on the ice cream setting, but the texture wasn't quite right, so I tried respinning it on frozen yogurt, and oh my god. It was a little thin, but the flavor was an unbelievable kind of toasted vanilla caramel. 8 out of 10, would Biscoff again, and again, and again. Subscribe for more.